The biggest controversy in talent acquisition today is figuring out who's actually ready to move jobs. Everyone has an opinion, but data rarely backs it up. In this video, you'll learn how PredictIntentions uses social signal science to give you clear, actionable predictions and how you can apply this to transform your recruitment process. Let's start with why this problem is so persistent in the talent org industry. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. For years, recruiters have relied on gut feeling and manual checks of LinkedIn profiles, annual checks of LinkedIn profiles, annual checks of LinkedIn usability. Fielth using signader house I signbakes the en mitu on midix resource in manual checks of linkflocity Now, let's get into the technical method behind PredictIntentions. We use a proprietary algorithm that doesn't just look at data points in isolation. It's about understanding patterns. Key concepts you need to know are signal clustering, behavioral baselines, and intention velocity. A common misconception is that any social activity indicates job search, but that's not true. We differentiate between casual networking and strategic career moves by analyzing factors like connection growth spikes, specific skill endorsements, and engagement with industry influencers. Here's what the software solution PredictIntentions specifically does. It ingests data from multiple social platforms with candidate consent, establishing a unique baseline for each individual. Then, it calculates a dynamic intention score based on deviations from that baseline. Every prediction comes with a full audit trail showing exactly which signals contributed, which is crucial for compliance. Plus, our scenario modeling feature lets you simulate how different outreach messages might perform based on the candidate's predicted intention level. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example to make this concrete. Imagine a software engineer named Alex. Over 2 weeks, Alex triples their LinkedIn connections, completes a new cloud certification, and starts commenting on posts from tech recruiters. PredictIntentions would detect these synchronized signals, compare them to Alex's historical inactivity, and flag a high-intention score for job search. The measurable outcome? Your team can prioritize Alex in your outreach campaign, likely seeing a response rate increase from the typical 5% to over 40% without making any guarantees. On compliance and reporting, PredictIntentions generates automated reports that are designed for stakeholder readability. They highlight key metrics like intention score trends and signal sources, all while aligning with regulations like GDPR and EEOC guidelines. The audit trail ensures you can always explain why a candidate was flagged, protecting your organization from bias claims. To close, PredictIntentions empowers you to move from guesswork to precision in talent acquisition. You'll save time, improve hire quality, and gain a competitive edge.